Father, napanood ko yun sa Al Jazeera documentary. Sabi ng psychologist doon, maraming possessions daw cases ay talagang mental health issue lang, tulad ng schizophrenia at bipolar po. Tapos sabi niya, mali daw diagnosis.
Well, okay. Kasi without criticizing
Sure.
the doctor there, kasi the process is ang tawag ko doon, they speak without knowing ano yung process bago makarating sa point of exorcism ang isang patient. When you're looking at it from that perspective, ganyan sasabihin mo, psychological lang yan, etc. But, for example, in the Archdiocese of Manila, and of course, this is now the protocol of the AIE, the International Association of Exorcists, you have your psychologists, psychiatrists, doctors as consultants.
Okay.
So, ibig sabihin, bago sila makarating at dasalan mo, dumaan na sila sa kanila. At sila yung nag-go signal, okay, there is something here na we cannot see, that cannot be explained. So, an exorcism may be helpful. So, in the part of the Archdiocese of Manila, laging gano'n. Kaya nga, pag nakarating ka to be prayed over by amo, nakadumaan ka na sa isang stringent na
Right.
na process filtering.
Yes. Oo.
Dumaan ka na sa doktor. Hindi yung pumunta ka lang, dadasalan ka na. Hindi ganun yan. Talagang dumaan ka na sa masusing interviews, diagnosis, may doctor's certification ka na. Kaya matagal. Kaya people are complaining, ba't ang tagal-tagal? Kasi kailangan maging sigurado eh. Now, we're not dealing with a psychological, psychiatric, pathological sickness. Again, the other part is, this is also taught to us, we must always think of a person as body and soul. You cannot separate them. Therefore, the psychological is integrally connected with the spiritual.
Right.
So, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na 100% psychological lang yan. Hindi. Kailangan lagi mong titignan na may effect sila sa isa't isa. Kasi isang tao lang yan eh.
Tama.
And therefore, you can also realize that, yes, there are clear signs of the psychological, but you also have to know the background of the person. You have to know the religious background of the person or lack of it, what are the practices that they did, etc. Because that has an effect.
Katulad ng recent na psychologist na nakausap ko, parang ini-introduce na daw sa kanila psycho-spiritual. Kasi may effect nga yun eh.
May effect, no? So, si Father Joseph nga palagi sasabi sa amin even if you say 80-20, 80% psychological, 20% spiritual. The 80% can be answered by the scientist or by the psychologist, by professional, the psychiatrist. The 20% spiritual can be answered by the church, by the priest,
Right.
by the exorcist, kung talagang malala. And therefore, magamot mo yung spiritual, mag-i-improve yung psychological. Or magamot mo yung psychological, mag-i-improve yung spiritual. They go hand in hand eh. Hindi ka pwedeng automatic, schizophrenic lang yan.
May effect yun, yung spiritual sa ano niya, no?
Kaya nga, ibang exorcism ministry sa albularyo. Yung albularyo, dalin mo lang doon. Riritualan na agad. Hindi, yung healthy skepticism exists in every exorcism. Clear yun. You have to have a healthy skepticism that not every case that comes to you that claims to be diabolic is really diabolic. You have to know the history of the person. Kaya nga minsan, kaya si Father Joseph, ayaw niya yung, and we learned this also from our own practice, ayaw mo yung ambush. Father, dasalan mo lang ako, mawawala na. Hindi pwede yan eh. May storya eh. Bawat tao may storya.
Right.
There's always a story. And therefore, you need to know the story of the person in order to gauge ano yung level of spiritual affliction na nasa tao.
Yes.
And if that spiritual affliction is really spiritual or it's something else. Pero hindi mo pwedeng totally outrightly dismiss na sabihin mo, ay, kalabihan dyan schizophrenic. Old thought na yan. Old thought na yung ganun ka i-dismiss mo agad. Hindi eh. Parang ano din yan, parang yung mga sinaunang mga pari natin na pag nakakita ng ganyan, may nangyayari, ay, gutom lang yan. Ay, ano lang yan, psychological lang. Oh, pero pag nakita nilang may kakaibang nangyayari na hindi na, kunyari tumitirik na mata, humahaba na dila, lumulutang na, anong gagawin nila? Sasabihin nila, ay, naku, hindi ko alam yan eh. Dali mo na lang dun sa albularyo sa kabilang kanto. Ano na lang gagawin nila? So, here you have a Catholic, also a wrong mentality
Right.
na pag hindi nila masagot, ipadala sa albularyo. The people go to the albularyo. Kasi hindi nila alam kung ano gagawin nila. Or the other way around is to outrightly dismiss it and say, gutom lang yan. O psychological yan. So, imbis na matulungan yung tao, you turn them away. Kaya pupunta sila
Sa albularyo.
sa albularyo.
Yes. Makes sense. Tapos sabi niya yung mass possession daw is mass hysteria lang o emotional contagion dahil sa stress, Father.
I am not a psychologist. I'm not a psychiatrist. Father Joseph said, tinanggal na yung word na mass hysteria.
Okay.
Wala na daw ganyan. Okay? Ang aking perspective sa ganyan kasi nakakita na ako talaga ng possession na talagang involving 5 students. Involving 5 students. So sila yung talagang tinamaan. Ngayon, mass hysteria ba yun? Mass contagion? All I know is that during that time, makikita mo yung mga bata talagang, paano ka nakakita? Paano mo sasabihin yung isa, kitang-kita mo yung buhok niya, may humihila. Ay, ano sa gagawin ng bata nung hindi ba siya titili at hihiyaw dahil may humihila talaga ng buhok niya? Hindi naman lang nakalugay lang yung buhok niya, gano'n nakalaylay lang. Hindi, nakikita mo talaga may humihila eh. Hindi mo lang nakikita kung sino yung humihila. Oh, tapos yung isa naman, yung parang may tumatalon sa kanyang balikat. Hindi naman siya gumaganon eh. Nakikita mo talagang may tumatapak, di ba? Tapos yung isa naman may sumisipa sa likod. Hindi naman siya nagbe-bend lang. Nakikita mo talaga hiyaw ng hiyaw yung bata kasi may tumatadyak sa likod niya. So are you going to say na mass hysteria lang yan? Padala mo na lang. Ang mangyayari dyan, pag ganun ang ginawa mo, on the pastoral side, at pinabayaan mo, people will think that the church does not care.
Yes.
And everything that they preach pagdating sa Gospels, yung Jesus Christ has the power to expel demons,
Right.
lahat yun, fantasya lang yun.
Yes. Yes. Tama.
And therefore, you lose the power of the Gospel. Kasi, dinidismiss mo hindi mo tinutulungan. No, the proper disposition is to always see that there are things that we cannot explain. Now, we have 2 psychiatrists from UST that we consult. 2 professor psychiatrists in the Department of Psychiatry that we consult and we send clients to them. Pag nakikita namin this might be psychiatric or psychological, pinadadala namin sa kanila. And sila yung gumagawa ng diagnosis. So pagdating sa amin, dala yung report, alam namin dumaan na sa doktor to. Questionin pa ba namin yon? Sana magsasabi. Masasabihin naman niya, may ganon. There's a hint of this kind of sickness, but merong area na hindi ma-explain. And perhaps this can be revealed using an exorcism. Ayun na yun. Doon napapasok yung simbahan para